Ladies and gentlemen, imagine a motorhome so beautiful that even your in-laws would suddenly become polite. Today, we're diving into the 1928 Chevrolet Gypsy Wagon, a machine that looks less like an RV and more like something a king would park outside his castle after a long weekend. This isn't just transportation, it's rolling architecture with attitude. It's what happens when craftsmanship meets gasoline and says, "Let's confuse everybody." Now, let's roll back to 1928. America was booming, jazz was loud, and Chevrolet was busy building practical trucks for hard-working people. The Chevrolet one-ton utility truck debuted as a tough, affordable workhorse, actually marketed as one of the lowest-priced trucks in its class. It even came with mechanical four-wheel drum brakes and a four-speed manual gearbox, which at the time felt like high-tech wizardry. But somewhere along the way, someone looked at this humble truck and said, "You know what this needs: stained glass and a copper roof." And just like that, logic left the building. The Gypsy Wagon wasn't born in a factory line of identical units. No, this was a one-off custom build, a passion project that transformed a basic utility truck into something that makes modern RVs look like microwaves on wheels. In 2021, this masterpiece crossed the auction block at Mecum auctions as part of a massive $19 million collection sale. The Gypsy Wagon itself sold for $51,700, which, considering the craftsmanship, feels like buying a palace for the price of a studio apartment. And now it's heading back under the hammer again, like that one friend who keeps starting fresh every year. As for how many were built, just one. Because, let's be honest, convincing a production manager to mass-produce something with 21 stained glass windows would get you escorted out of the building. Now, let's talk mechanics, because underneath all that beauty, there's still a machine doing the hard work. Originally, this was a 1928 Chevrolet truck, but over time it received a serious upgrade, a 4-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. That's right, this vintage masterpiece secretly has the heart of something much more modern, like a gentleman in a tuxedo wearing sneakers. The front axle remains Chevrolet, keeping some of that original DNA intact, while the rear axle was swapped for a Ford F-250 semi-floating unit. Basically, it's a mechanical family reunion that somehow works. Inside, things get even more interesting. The cabin features a leather bench for two, cozy enough, unless your passenger is like my friend Timmy, who once spilled an entire drink on a seat and called it interior customization. Behind the cab, a rattan-style partition separates the driving area from the living space, which is packed with real functionality. You've got a sink with running water built into an L-shaped wooden counter stretching toward the rear. There's a propane stove, an oven, and even a small fridge, meaning you can cook a full meal while parked somewhere scenic, or just burn toast like Timmy does every time he experiments. Opposite the kitchen sits another leather bench with storage underneath, doubling as both dining and lounging space. Compact, sure, but this is the kind of compact that feels intentional, not like your first apartment. At the back, there's an east-to-west double bed, perfect for relaxing and enjoying the view through the Dutch-style rear door. And honestly, waking up here must feel like you're inside a moving piece of art. The entire body is crafted from solid red oak, including the flooring and cabinetry. Now let's talk about design, because this is where the 1928 Chevrolet Gypsy Wagon stops being a vehicle and starts acting like it deserves its own art gallery. Every inch of this motorhome screams craftsmanship, from the hand-carved red oak panels to the delicate stained glass that transforms sunlight into a full-blown light show inside. It's the kind of interior that makes you sit down quietly and then immediately start taking photos like a tourist in your own kitchen. Before we get to the numbers, let's take a moment to appreciate what this machine represents. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement. A reminder that engineering can be emotional, that design can tell a story, and that sometimes the best ideas come from ignoring the rulebook entirely. It's charming, it's eccentric, and it's unapologetically unique, kind of like Timmy after his third business idea of the week. Today, values for such one-of-a-kind builds are tricky. They don't follow normal market rules. Depending on condition, provenance, and buyer passion, similar custom classics can range anywhere from $50,000 to well over $100,000. And with its upcoming appearance at the Houston 2026 auction, it's ready to test the limits again. And honestly, it deserves every dollar, because how often do you see a motorhome that feels like it belongs in both a museum and a fairy tale? Huge thanks to my channel sponsors, you legends who keep this show alive. You're basically the reason I can talk about vehicles like this, instead of explaining to Bob why his toaster is not controlled by artificial intelligence. And to all of you watching, may your roads be smooth, your engines strong, and your neighbors slightly less weird than mine.